Hi everyone, this is your math guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the following statistics question. The following mathematics test marks of the grade 10B class are recorded below. We are to 1. Write down the median mark for this class. 2. Calculate the interquartile range mark for this class. 3. Represent the data on a box and whisker diagram. And the last part of the question says, comment on the distribution of the data with reference to the box and whisker diagram. Please don't forget to click on the like and the subscribe button below for more easy to understand math concepts. For the first part of the question, we have to find the median. And the median mark simply means the middle number. We are trying to find the median mark. We need to arrange the data given either in ascending or in descending order. For what we're given or for this question, I can see that it's been arranged in ascending order from the smallest to the biggest. Now, depending on the number of data we have, I have a formula I use for finding the position of the middle number, and that is our median, which is also equal to our Q2, will be half of the total number plus 1. Note that this will be the position of the middle number. So what I have will be half of the total number, if I count, is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, and the last number, 23. So I have 23 plus 1, and that will be half of 24. So therefore the middle number will be the 24 divided by 2, 12th term, or the 12th mark. So therefore I need to find the 12th position. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I can see that the number 64 is the mark in the 12th position. So therefore, my median, or my Q2, is equal to 64. For the second part of the question, we have to calculate the interquartile range mark for this class. To find the interquartile range, the formula is interquartile range, or IQR, equals my Q3, that's the third quarter mark, minus the Q1, which is the first quarter. So I'm going to use the same method in finding the mark in the position of Q3 and Q1. Starting with my Q1, that's the first quarter, the position will be, because it's in the first quarter, that will be 1 over 4 n plus 1 position, and that's equal to 1 over 4. We've counted the number of marks recorded, that's 23, plus 1, that's a quarter of 24, which is 6th position. So if I go back to my data, I'm going to count to see the mark in the 6th position. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that will be 53. So therefore, Q1 equals 53. To find Q2, Q2 will be, I got that as 64, so I need to find Q3, not Q2. I did Q2 earlier, that's for the median. So to find Q3, because Q3 is my third quarter, that will be the position 3 over 4 of n plus 1. So that's 3 over 4. Note that, like I mentioned earlier, this is not the value, but the position. So I need to find the mark in that position. That's 3 over 4 of 23. That's the total marks recorded. Plus 1, that's 3 out of 4 of 23 plus 1, 24. And that will be 6 times 3, that's 18th term. So therefore, I need to find which mark is located in the 18th position. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So that's 74. So therefore, Q3, the mark there is 74. So if I go back to my interquartile range, which is equal to Q3 minus Q1, that's the third quarter, minus the first quartile, that's going to be 74 minus 53. So therefore, my interquartile range equals 74 minus 53, it's 21. So my IQR equals 21. Going to the third part of the question, I have represent the data on a box and whisker diagram. The third part of the question says represent the data on a box and whisker diagram. In order to draw a box and whisker diagram, I need my 5-number summary. What do I mean by my 5-number summary? Those are the points that will be reflected on my box and whisker. So the points I need, or the 5-number summary values are 1. I need the minimum value of the distribution. So I have minimum value, which in this case will be 45. I need my maximum value, which in this case will be the biggest number, that's 89. I need my Q1, which I was able to calculate earlier. I got 53 for that. Then I need my Q2, which is my medium. I got 64 for that. Then I need my Q3, which is a third quartile. That's 74. I showed the calculation earlier. So I've gotten the 5-number summary as shown, and then I need to represent that on my box and whisker diagram. I'm going to start by drawing my number line. The minimum value is 45 and the maximum value here is 89. So I can have an order distribution starting from 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Minimum value 45, that's between 40 and 50. So I'm going to put a mark there. Then I have my maximum value, that's 89. That's almost 90. And so put my mark there. Then my other 3 points, my Q1, 53. That's just there. Then I need my Q2, 64. Almost halfway between 60 and 70. Then I have my Q3, 74. That's also almost halfway between 70 and 80. And then I'm going to close up my box as shown. I have that written. From there, I'm going to join my whiskers as shown. And if I label, I have that as my minimum value. I have the last end of my whisker as my maximum value. The first line is my Q1. The second line is my Q2, which is the median. And then the third line is my Q3. So that's my box and whisker diagram. And to comment on the distribution of the data with reference to the box and whisker, I can say that this is positively skewed. When you have a positively skewed box and whisker or distribution, then what it means is my mean is greater than my median. If you calculate your mean for this distribution, my mean is around 64.3 to 1 decimal place, and my median is 64, so that means it's positively skewed. Thanks for watching. Bye.